Hey, Janet, should we do something special for Grandma and Grandpa's anniversary?
Sure. How long have they been married?
50 years.
50 years. That's a really long time.
I know. They got married in their early 20s.
That's amazing. We should definitely do something special.
Why don't we throw them a surprise party? We can invite all of our relatives.
That's a great idea.
Let's make a slideshow of their life together.
Perfect. That's going to be so beautiful.
I'm sure Mom has a lot of pictures we can go through.
Let's meet at Mom's tonight and plan the whole party.
Yeah, we'll need her help.
We can show pictures of their wedding, their children, and grandchildren.
Too bad we aren't doing this next year.
Why?
Then we would have a picture of their great-grandchild.
What? You're pregnant?
Yeah.
There's going to be another big celebration next year.
Can I tell you a secret, Allison?
Sure. What is it, Sean? Is something wrong?
I'm afraid to graduate.
Why? That's silly.
College was easy for me. Now we have to go out and find a real job.
That's the best part. We are finally adults.
Aren't you scared at all?
No, I'm excited to work and plan my future.
I feel so immature.
Well, you are acting a little immature. It's time to grow up, Sean.
I know. Studying and taking tests were easy. Now we have to work for the rest of our lives.
You sound lazy. You're a really smart guy. You're going to have a great life.
Thanks for your encouragement. I feel silly.
You are being silly. If you are so scared of leaving school, why don't you go to graduate school?
That's a great idea.
It actually is. You'll get a better job with a graduate degree.
What's wrong, Billy?
I just found out that I won't be graduating this year.
Why?
I'm a few credits short of the graduation requirements.
What are you going to do?
There's nothing I can do right now.
Have you told your parents?
No way. They are going to be so mad.
Well, you have to tell them.
I know. I just don't know how. My last report card was bad. I promised that I would improve my grades.
Can you go to summer school?
I will have to. They're probably going to take my car away.
Good luck, buddy.
Thanks. I'm going to need it. Do you have an extra room at your house?
Why?
I may need that, too.
Hi, Sylvia. Mark and I are celebrating our 1-year anniversary today.
Congratulations! What are you going to do?
I don't know. Mark says he has a special surprise.
What do you think it is?
I have no idea. Maybe dinner at a nice restaurant?
That would be lovely.
Yeah, we've both been so busy at work. Our first year of marriage went by very fast.
Yes, marriage can go by quickly.
How long have you been married?
25 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, it is. We've had our good and bad times, but we're happy.
That's great. I hope Mark and I will celebrate a 25-year anniversary one day.
I'm sure you will.
I just got a text from Mark. He said to put on a nice dress and dancing shoes.
Looks like you're going dancing.
That's a huge surprise.
Why?
Because I love dancing, but Mark hates dancing.
Are you going to Bill's retirement party?
No, are you?
I don't know. I don't think many people are going.
He isn't a very nice person, and he's a mean boss.
I know. I remember when he yelled at me for being 10 minutes late to a presentation.
Weren't you in a car accident that morning?
Yeah, I was pretty angry.
He would yell at people for unnecessary reasons.
Why is the company throwing him a retirement party?
I don't know. I think his secretary, Mary, is planning it.
She must be crazy.
Maybe she is happy he is leaving, so she wants to have a party.
That's funny. Then we should all go.
Maybe we should.
That's a sad way to retire.
What is a sad way to retire?
To retire with no one liking you.
You're right. Maybe we should go to the party and say goodbye.
Hello?
Hi, Kathy. This is Mom. Are you and Phil free on Friday night?
We're having dinner with friends. Why? What's going on?
Your dad's coworkers are throwing him a surprise retirement party.
Really? That's so nice of them.
I know. I was hoping you and Phil could attend.
Of course we will. I'll reschedule the dinner party.
That would be wonderful. But remember, it's a surprise, so don't tell him.
I won't. Is Dad sad about retiring?
No, he is actually looking forward to it. He has worked a long time.
Yeah, I remember all of those long hours he worked.
He was a great employee. They're going to miss him at the office.
What are you and Dad going to do now?
I think we're going to take a trip to Hawaii.
That's good. It's a great place to relax.
It sure is. We even talked about retiring there.
Really? That would be awesome.
You and your family could vacation in Hawaii. You'll have a free place to stay.
Mom, that sounds awesome. But I'll miss you both.
Yeah, that's the only bad thing.
Hi, Carol. Why do you look so excited?
Hi, Helen. Stan and I are taking a trip to the Bahamas.
That's wonderful. Is it a special occasion?
It was our anniversary yesterday.
Happy anniversary. How many years have you been married?
30 years.
That's wonderful.
Thanks. We've been planning this trip for years, but he surprised me with tickets last night.
That's so sweet. When do you leave?
We're leaving in a couple of weeks. I can't wait. This is the best anniversary present.
Are you and Stan free tonight?
Yes, why?
Would you like to come over? I'd like to make you both dinner since I missed your anniversary yesterday.
Sure, that's so kind of you.
Come around 7 p.m. Bob will be home by then.
Thanks. What can I bring tonight?
How about some sun after you get back from the Bahamas? It's so cold here these days.
I wish I could.
Hi, Linda. Who are the presents for?
Hi, Susan. My son Joseph. Today is his birthday.
How old is Joseph now?
12 years old.
He's almost a teenager.
I know. He's growing up so fast.
Are you doing anything special?
Yeah, he is having a birthday party with his friends. Then afterwards, we're meeting my parents for dinner. They want to take him out to a nice restaurant.
What a fun day for him.
I hope so. We wanted to invite his friends over and have a pizza party.
Then he's going to eat again after the party?
Yeah, he can eat a lot these days. He's a growing boy.
Did you make a birthday cake?
No, I bought one this time. I didn't have time to bake it this year.
Don't forget the candles.
Oh no, I forgot to buy some, and I don't have time to go to the store. The birthday guests are coming soon.
I have a brand new pack. There are 12 candles in the box. You can have them.
Perfect. Thank you.
Did you hear the news? Carl is retiring.
Why?
He's sick. He needs to stop working to take care of his health.
That's so sad.
I know. I'm going to miss him.
When is his last day?
Next Friday.
That soon?
Yeah, I heard his doctor told him to retire immediately.
Wow. He's been at the company for 20 years.
That's a long time.
Is anyone going to throw him a retirement party?
I don't know.
If no one is, we should throw him one.
That's a good idea. Let's talk to the other employees and plan it.
Do you know who is taking his place?
I heard it was going to be Bob.
Bob? Is he qualified for that position?
I don't know. People are not going to be happy.
I'm not happy.
Can I help you, sir?
I need to buy a birthday present for my wife.
Okay. What does she like?
I'm not sure.
What would you like to buy her? A purse, makeup, shoes, clothes, perfume?
All of those things sound nice.
Do you know her clothing size?
No, I don't.
What about her shoe size?
I don't know that either.
I see. Should we look at purses then? What is her taste? Does she like leather?
I think so.
What is her favorite color?
Red.
Great. We have some lovely purses in red. Would you like to take a look at them?
Sure.
How about this one?
That's perfect. I'll take it.
When is your wife's birthday?
It was last week.
Hi, Kate. Our daughter is graduating from college this week.
That's wonderful, Jane. What did she study?
Nursing?
That's a great field. My mom was a nurse.
My mother was a nurse, too.
She must be so proud of her.
Yeah, she is. We are all proud of her.
Does she want to work in a hospital?
Yeah, she got a job at the hospital already.
That's great.
Are you doing anything special to celebrate?
We bought her a new car.
Wow, that's an awesome gift.
I know. Her current car is so old. We want her to have a reliable car since she will be working late hours.
That's smart.
When does she start working?
In a month.
What is she going to do for a month?
She's going backpacking with a friend in Europe.
How fun! She's an adult now.
I know. Kids grow up too fast.
Hey, Jennifer, are you going to Sally's birthday party tonight?
Is that tonight, Beth?
Yeah, can you go?
Yeah. I've been so busy with school exams, I completely forgot.
The party is at 7 p.m.
Okay, thanks for reminding me. I have one more test at 5 p.m.
Did you buy a gift?
I forgot that, too. What should I get her? Do you have any suggestions?
She likes clothes and makeup.
What did you buy her?
I got her a red scarf.
I don't have time to go shopping.
Why don't you just get her a gift card? Then she can buy what she wants.
That's a good idea. When is your birthday, so I don't forget?
It was yesterday.
I'm sorry. I forgot yours, too. I'm a bad friend.
No, you're just a busy friend.